Greetings, fantastic members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. Today's video is your key to unlocking the secrets behind a successful Bilkent University Scholarships 2024 application. Throughout the video, I'll provide comprehensive information on the scholarship summary, scholarship coverage, available programs, eligibility criteria, documents required, and the step-by-step guide on how to apply. Moreover, I've prepared an online apply video guide in the end of that video, specifically for students who may encounter challenges with the online application process. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship Overview. Applications are currently open for the 2024 Bilkent University Scholarships, inviting international students from around the world to apply. These scholarships are accessible to students pursuing undergraduate, master's, or doctoral degrees. They encompass full tuition fees, accommodation, and additional expenses for the duration of the program. Bilkent University offers scholarships across a wide range of academic disciplines, including but not limited to art, design, architecture, business administration, economics, social sciences, engineering, humanities, science, music, performing arts, and applied technology and management. Apply now for this opportunity in Turkey. Scholarship Summary. Bilkent University is currently accepting applications for its fully funded scholarships for the 2024 academic year. These scholarships are available for students pursuing bachelor's, master's, and PhD degrees, welcoming applicants from all nationalities. Situated in Turkey, Bilkent University offers a comprehensive scholarship package covering tuition fees, accommodation, and additional expenses. The application deadline for these scholarships is July 12, 2024. Depending on the degree level, the duration of the scholarships varies. Bachelor's scholarships cover 8 semesters, 4 years, master's scholarships cover 6 semesters, 3 years, and PhD scholarships cover 4 years. Scholarship coverage. Bilkent University Scholarship will provide the recipient with the following benefits. PhD scholarship holders will get $600 per month stipend, and graduate scholarship holders will get $450 per month stipend. Tuition waiver, 62,100 Turkish lira per year. Housing support, private health insurance, a laptop computer, meal card, travel support once a year, at a yearly determined fixed amount, to attend scientific events. Available fields. Bilkent University provides diverse academic disciplines including applied technology and management, economics, administrative, and social sciences, art, design, and architecture, engineering, humanities and letters, business administration, science, music and performing arts, along with specialized graduate programs such as the Graduate School of Economics and Social Sciences, Graduate School of Education, and Graduate School of Engineering and Science. Eligibility Criteria. If you are interested to get the Bilkent University Scholarship in Turkey, then the following terms and conditions must be fulfilled by the students, which are given as follows. Citizens of all countries, including Turkish citizens, are eligible to apply for the scholarships. BSc graduates or MSc students need to have a minimum CGPA of 2.80 out of 4.00 at the time of application. If you are a Turkish citizen residing in Turkey, an IELTS score is required, with a quantitative score of less than 55. Alternatively, for non-Turkish citizens, a GRE general test score is required, with a minimum quantitative score of 153. However, applicants with a strong background are encouraged to apply even if they fall slightly short of this requirement. Proficiency in English is required, demonstrated through TOEFL IBT, minimum score of 87, IELTS, minimum average score of 6.5 with at least 5.5 in each section. Documents required. To apply for Bilkent University Scholarship in Turkey, international students are required to submit the following documents. Updated CV, degree certificates, official transcripts, statement of purpose, 2 letters of recommendation, research proposal, IELTS or TOEFL result, GRE score. How to apply. Online application system. To apply for Bilkent University International Scholarships 2024 in Turkey, an online application system is available. Application procedure. Visit the undergraduate and graduate link below and register on the website to start your application by filling out the form and uploading all necessary documents. Official scholarship website. The official website link is provided for further information and guidance. Online apply video guide. For students encountering difficulties with the online application process, I've prepared an instructional video. You can watch online apply video guide by two ways. First method. You can easily access the tutorial video by clicking on the link provided in the video description or comment section. Once you're on the Scholarship Guidebook website, simply scroll down to find the tutorial video located at the bottom. Second method. Another way to access the tutorial is by visiting scholarshipguidebook.com. Let me demonstrate how to do it. That concludes today's content. Please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and leaving comments with any questions you may have. Thank you, and much love to all.